Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I purchased some things from Temu myself. They came in the mail.
Wait, what's Temu?
Okay, so Sky asked me what was Temu. Temu is basically a global shopping site that offers a variety of trendy and top quality products, from chic outfits to one-of-a-kind lifestyle pieces. They have fashionable accessories, clothing, beauty, cosmetics, craft materials, and more to explore. And you guys can check out the link that'll be in my description box down below so that you guys can go and order any of the items that you see here using my code. And so with my code, it will get you, with my code off $89.89, it will get you an extra 30% off your entire Temu order with the new user subscription. So that's basically what it is. Free shipping, free returns for the US only. You can shop hundreds of items, you know, for under $10. And yeah, I think that we're ready to go ahead and unbox. Open it.
Yeah, that's what I like to do all the time.
Alright, so the first thing that we got in this bag right here is this blue pink is what it has on the outside. So I'm going to go based off of that. And inside of the box is these fashionable, cute glasses that you guys see here.
That is so cute. Oh my god, those look so cute.
Alright, so moving right along to the next item, there is a Hello Kitty. I'm glad I was able to find this because she is just all into the Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
This right here is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Comes with the strap that goes with it.
No way.
Very, very cute.
That looks
Okay, ready for the next thing? Alright, y'all. So this right here is something that was hard to believe that Temu sold, had, whatever. Alright, so it is a cute bear water bottle.
Now that is cute.
It is cute. Y'all, that is too cute for kids. It's simply just a bear like water bottle. You can fill it up and it opens for you, and then you can either drink out of it using the hole or you can use the straw. Too cute. Alright, next item down in the bag is just some white 30 count of air fryer liners. Alright, next item down in the bag, I'm just going to grab something, is this. These are some earrings that I decided to order. So we have the Live, Love, Teach earrings. Here we go.
Okay, I'm going to pick some next.
Okay.
Okay, so these are little bear plates, and it has this little holder in it, and it's like so cute.
Alright, so now that it's taken out the package, these are cute little bear plates. I think that it came in a 8-pack where she could easily use these, and it comes with a holder.
Strawberries and some Nutella to dip the strawberries.
Very cute. Alright, so also down in here I got some teacher stickers. These are all one size. Here are some of the stickers that I got, like teacher, proud teacher, teacher. So I could easily like give these to some of my coworkers. I could use these putting on water bottles and things like that, or like create tumblers myself using these. A really great price for some teacher stickers.
Okay, so guys, what this is, it's like very soft, but what it, okay, this is what it looks like. It's like so pink and like cute. Okay, so what it is like when you're sleeping, you can like put it on your forehead And sometimes,
or if you're washing your face so that you can keep like the hair back.
And like when you're trying to do makeup.
All right, next down in the box, or bag I should say, I have now some little small like Vaseline. It doesn't say Vaseline, it's by a different brand. The lip balms that come in a 4-pack.
Okay, what these are some more earrings. They have like little hearts. Yeah, they're like little bended pencils with like little hearts on it, and it's like so cute.
Alright, so next down in the bag we have some exfoliating bath gloves. The bath gloves is gonna like replace your traditional bath towel and like be easy to clean, to grasp, and it's good for removing dirt. So basically you're just gonna scrub and wash, you know, like your body with. And it's a really great size that you can put your hand in, and I think that they're small enough if like you buy these for kids. Like I said, remove the dirt, and you use it like on your...
Oh, I think they're... Okay, so these are little Hello Kitty shower caps that she got me.
So here's the designs at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so also I picked out these air fryer liners. This is going to be really great because I also could wash these and reuse them instead of continuously buying the paper ones. So I could easily wash these. When you take these out of the pack.
So we got some cupcake holders.
Here they are. Just some like red star ones, I guess.
Okay, now my mom got some more earrings.
These are, oh, okay, there we go. So it's 3 different pairs of earrings. I have like the feather, and then we also have the last pair right there. So I ended up getting another one of these, which I probably will gift to my mom. You just put it over your head, kind of like what you see in the picture right there. Put it over your head, wear it overnight, get some heatless curls. Alright, also down in here, like I said, I got another pack where these ones actually are not by the brand name either. Okay,
now we got some stickers. Okay, so she got these little cute bear stickers. Got that little one. Ooh, that one's really cute.
So yeah, some cute bear stickers. This one, maybe like this one. Got a cute little selection of bear stickers that she can stick on pages or notebooks, but not furniture or the walls. So at the bottom of my bag, I've got a pair of sandals right here. And so I'm thinking not only for maybe like school and work, but vacation as well.
Okay, so now we got some cupcake holders, and they're like rainbow colored.
So these are silicone baking cups so that we can reuse them, and also like we could wash them, and they are silicone so they're easy to, you know, wash and easy to use.
Okay, so now we got like this blue
this is a bento lunchbox.
You got a bento lunchbox, and it is blue.
So pop off the top, and there is a fork. And there we have it. Cute little bento lunchbox.
Okay, now we have these rainbow earrings. They look very cute.
Not sure how these were made, but they are extremely adorable.
Okay, now we have this box or something.
Let's see if it says anything on the front.
It says
a glass cup, so it's something breakable, so take your time opening.
little bear. Okay, let me
Take it out.
take it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my mom ordered this little bear cup, like this little bear cup, but when you flip it over, it like looks like a bear, and it's like so cute. And it has like little ears at the bottom, and it's so cute.
Oh, I see some multicolored earrings in this bag. I am a earring fanatic and have been looking for some very cute new earrings. So I have some earrings in this type of design here. And so I have it in black. I have it in yellow, brown, and I have blue, pink,
That's really good.
red, teal, green, purple, and white.
Okay, I'm just gonna see what it is because, like, we seriously
It says
don't know what it is.
transparent one piece, so we have no idea what it is.
Yeah, white and pink glasses. They kind of match your earrings because your earrings are like.
Alright, so I got this rainbow keychain. It just simply looks like this on the back. I can put this on my teacher lanyard. It's just a rainbow that is made of yarn.
Okay, now we have some rainbow earrings. Okay, so they're like feel really soft and bendy. So they move a lot. Okay, now we got this, and I don't know what it is. I think it might be this like little thing where you can like go
I don't remember ordering that.
Since we see it in the package, it kind of looks like this bear filling thing. I think they might got a mistake.
Okay, so I know exactly what this is. This is a silicone of like an ice cream maker, but apparently like I think that you put stuff in it and you freeze it, and you can like then put it, you know, like I don't know. I'm gonna insert a picture here of what this really is, what it's supposed to look like, what you're supposed to really do with it, because I really don't remember ordering this, but now that I see it and yeah, it's starting to ring a bell that you're like supposed to fill this up, and yeah, you can start to make like little, yeah, y'all know the rest. All right, last but not least, this is what we got in our Temu haul, and I would like to say thank you all so much for sticking around to watch this video this far along, and to see what we actually got. Temu is a really great company that I'm really starting to like. And last but not least, just because it is glass, this is a glass straw that comes with the glass jar that I had picked up off of Temu, as I wanted to be able to make my Javi coffee in this cute bottle here, and I also could make iced coffees and other things like that with this cup. And then of course now I have this, and I can clean down in the straw and won't have to discard it. So thank you guys so much once again for watching the video. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you all think about everything that we got from Temu. What was your favorite? And also be sure to get that link down in my description box so that you guys can get 30% off of your first order. Bye.
Bye.